Class 11 Accountancy Numerical Problem Solutions. Presented by Eduksit.com. In this video, we are going to provide bank reconciliation statement, favorable balance cash book and passbook solutions. Problem 1 solution. The problem statement is as follows. From the following particulars, prepare a bank reconciliation statement as at March 31st, 2000 plus. Balance as per cash book 3200 rupees. Check issued but not presented for payment 1800 rupees. Check deposited but not collected up to March 31st, 2000 plus 2000 rupees. Bank charges debited by the bank 150 rupees. Before we do the analysis of these particulars, let's first recap few rules used for preparing the bank reconciliation statement. Let's first understand the need for reconciliation. By preparing a bank reconciliation statement, we get an idea about why there is difference between cash book and passbook. The difference could be due to timing difference on recording the transaction. It could also be due to errors made by the business or the bank. Few reasons of the timing difference are check issued by the business but not yet presented for the payment. When the business issues a check to the supplier or creditor, they are immediately entered on the credit side of the cash book. The supplier or creditor has to encash this check by presenting it in the bank. In some cases, the creditor or supplier may not present the check immediately in the bank. So, when the bank statement is received by the firm, as the check is not yet presented by the supplier, this will not be there in the bank statement. The second reason for timing difference could be checks paid into the bank but not yet collected. When the business receives checks from its customer or debtors, they are immediately recorded in the debit side of the cash book. So, the cash book shows more amount to be available in the bank. These checks could be from a bank which is not in the same city or town. Sometimes, the business might have an account in one branch and the check could be from a different branch. In such cases, the bank may not have collected the check amount by the time the bank statement is received by the firm. So, there is a difference in the cash book and the bank statement. The third reason could be due to direct debits made by the bank on behalf of the customer. Sometimes bank deducts the amounts for various services. The business may not be aware of these deductions. So, these deductions which fall under expenses may not have been recorded in the cash book. For example, the bank charges in case of current account might have been deducted by the bank, but the business knows about these deductions only after the bank statement is received. There are other reasons also, but to keep it to the scope of this to the problem, let us consider only these three reasons for timing difference. As the problem does not have any particulars about the errors made by the business or by the bank, we will discuss these in other problems. With this information at our disposal, let us now proceed with the analysis of each of these details in the problem. Here, the balance as per the cash book is 3200 rupees. Note that this is a debit balance and represents the favorable balance. Also note that the balance as per the cash book is given, and we need to find the balance as per the passbook. Let us enter these details into the bank reconciliation statement. Let us first write the title as Bank Reconciliation Statement as of March 31st, 2000 plus. Let us have individual columns for serial number, particulars, amount that should be added, and the amount that should be deducted. Let's first write the particulars number as 1. Let us then write the particulars as balance as per cash book. As this is the debit or favorable balance, we need to add this amount. Let us now add this amount of 3200 rupees. That completes the recording of these details into the bank reconciliation statement. Let us now take up the next details. Here it is given that a check for 1800 rupees is issued but not yet presented for payment. This is caused by the timing difference in recording of the transaction. Note that when the check is issued, it is immediately recorded in the cash book. Issuing a check means that the business is paying to someone. As issuing a check reduces the bank balance, it will be credited in the cash book. As it is not yet presented in the bank, it will not be reflected in the bank passbook. In other words, it is not yet deducted from the bank. So we need to add this amount back to the cash book balance to get the passbook balance. Note that we are recording this in the bank reconciliation statement and not in the cash book. Let us now enter these details in the bank reconciliation statement. Let us first write the serial number. Let us then write the particulars as check issued but not presented for payment. Let us now add this amount of 1800 rupees. That completes the recording of these details into the bank reconciliation statement. Let us now take up the next details. Here it is given that a check of 2000 rupees is deposited in the bank but not yet collected. This is caused by the timing difference in recording of the transactions. When the check is taken to deposit it into the bank, it is recorded immediately in the cash book. The businesses deposits the checks that they receive from someone into their bank. As the business has received a check from a third party, it will be added in the cash book. But this amount is not yet reflected in the bank passbook as it is not yet collected. So we need to deduct this amount from the cash book balance to get the passbook balance. Let us now enter these details into the bank reconciliation statement. Let us first write the serial number. Let us then write the particulars as check deposited but not yet collected. Let us now deduct this amount of 2000 rupees. That completes the recording of these details into the bank reconciliation statement. Let us now take up the next details. Here it is given that 150 rupees of bank charges are debited by the bank. This is caused by the timing difference in recording of the transaction. When the bank charges are debited by the bank, the firm knows about it only when the bank statement is received. In other words, these charges are not yet deducted in the cash book. So we need to deduct them now. Let us now enter these details into the bank reconciliation statement. Let us first write the serial number. Let us then write the particulars as bank charges. Let us deduct this amount of 150 rupees. That completes the recording of these details into the bank reconciliation statement. In fact, we have completed the recording of all these details into the bank reconciliation statement. The next step is to find the balance as per the passbook. Now the total of all the entries in the plus amount column is 5000 rupees. And the total of all the entries in the minus amount column is 2150 rupees. From 5000 rupees, if you subtract 2150 rupees, we get 2850 rupees. This is the passbook balance and let us now record this. Let us first write the serial number. Let us then write the particulars as balance as per passbook. As we have started with the cash book balance, we need to write the passbook balance of 2850 rupees in the negative amount column. That completes the recording of these details into the bank reconciliation statement, and we have come to the end of this solution. Now the total of all the entries in the plus amount column is 5000 rupees. Similarly, the total of all the entries in the minus amount column is 5000 rupees. Thanks for watching. Edixit.com is started to promote effective and efficient learning process to help the students with their learning requirements. To watch all our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Also, please click on the bell icon to receive a notification as soon as a new video is published. Please click on the like button if you like this video. Thanks for watching.